we would also like to ask Senator Judge Pia Cayetano and Senator Judge Alan Cayetano to simply tell the Filipino people, especially those that have seen this spliced video, kung ano yung katotohanan. Dahil nandoon po naman sila sa nung araw na yon, nung habang nagkakaroon ng oral arguments, at alam po nila at dinig na dinig nila kung ano yung katotohanan na taliwas o hindi kapareha ng video na kumakalat sa ngayon. So I do hope in the spirit of fairness that the Senator Judge showing their impartiality, sana mabago at makorek po itong videong ito.